दतिया के लिटिल फ्लावर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में एक दिवसीय सीबीएसई शिक्षक प्रशिक्षण कार्यशाला का आयोजन किया गया। सीबीएसई ने राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति एनईपी 2020 के तहत सभी सीबीएसई स्कूलों के शिक्षकों के लिए हर साल कम से कम 50 घंटे का प्रशिक्षण लेना अनिवार्य कर दिया है, जिसमें 25 घंटे सीबीएसई या सरकारी प्रशिक्षण संस्थानों से और बाकी 25 घंटे स्कूल द्वारा आयोजित इन हाउस या स्कूल कैंपस आधारित कार्यक्रमों के माध्यम से प्रशिक्षित होना बहुत जरूरी है। इसी के तहत लिटिल फ्लावर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल दतिया को शिक्षक प्रशिक्षण का केंद्र बनाया गया, जिसका उद्देश्य क्षेत्र के सभी सीबीएसई स्कूलों के शिक्षकों को जीवन कौशल के क्षेत्र में प्रशिक्षण कराना था। ऐसी शिक्षक कार्यशालाओं में सीबीएसई द्वारा अधिकृत रिसोर्स व्यक्ति बोर्ड की नीतियां और श्रेष्ठ प्रचलित प्रथाओं भी प्रयासों का प्रचार करते हैं। उक्त कार्यक्रम में रिसोर्स पर्सनल के तौर पर भारतीय विद्यापीठ दतिया के प्राचार्य डॉक्टर विक्रम सक्सेना, जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल ग्वालियर के उप प्राचार्य डॉक्टर निरकेश शर्मा उपस्थित रहे। विद्यालय की प्राचार्या श्रीमती निधि शंकर मिश्रा ने इस प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम में अग्रिम भूमिका निभाई। वहीं सेशन 9:30 से शाम 5:30 तक निर्धारित था, जिसमें शिक्षकों ने जीवन कौशल मॉड्यूल में बहुमूल्य ज्ञान प्राप्त किया। प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत पवित्र माँ सरस्वती की पूजा से हुई, जिसने पूरे दिन की कार्यवाही के लिए एक सकारात्मक और प्रेरणादायक माहौल बनाया। इस पूजा ने सभी उपस्थित लोगों को ज्ञान और शिक्षा की देवी का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करने का अवसर प्रदान किया गया। लिटिल फ्लावर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल दतिया की प्रिंसिपल श्रीमती निधि शंकर मिश्रा ने कहा कि सीबीएसई बोर्ड और डॉक्टर विक्रम सक्सेना और डॉक्टर निरकेश शर्मा को शिक्षकों के साथ अपने ज्ञान और विशेषज्ञता को साझा करने के लिए आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ। लिटिल फ्लावर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल भविष्य में ऐसे और कार्यक्रम आयोजित करने की उम्मीद करता है, ताकि शिक्षकों को अपने कौशल में सुधार करने और छात्रों को सर्वोत्तम संभव शिक्षा प्राप्त करने में मदद मिल सके।
Yeah, good evening everyone. So it was a fantastic session and thank you so much CBSE and LFI that we have got this much good opportunity, and I am definitely going to apply these things because it has boosted up very much confidence. Thank you so much once again.
It was a wonderful initiative by Little Flower International School, which had boosted our confidence in teaching. We have learned new skills like role plays and group dynamics to inculcate in our classrooms, and I felt very confident about myself that I can apply these things in my classroom. Thank you.
Teacher can integrate life skill by incorporating them into the various subjects, providing real life examples, engaging the students into the project work, providing them opportunity for the role plays, presentation and learning by doing activities. So by these activities we can inculcate life skills into the classroom. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am for sharing. Would you like to share something about the today's training program organized in Little Flower International School by CBSE? Please ma'am, the viewers of Datiya wants to know about the CBSE workshop in the LFI, Little Flower International School.
Sure, ma'am. Hello, everyone. This is Pallavi Yadav from Greenwood School, Adityapuram, Gwalior. I would like to shortly share my views on today's workshop. First of all, I'd like to thank CBSE for giving me this such honor for attending the workshop on life skills basic, which was held at Little Flower School, Datiya. The session was quite enriching. The session was taken by resource person Dr. Nishikesh, and the other resource person was Dr. Pramod Saxena. Both the resource person were very nice, and the session was quite fruitful, enriching, and to enhance my knowledge, I quietly enjoyed my session today, and I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Little Flower International School, Datiya, for giving me such a nice experience in this school. It was my first time visiting the school. Their management, their facilities, which they provided me, were very nice, and I quietly enjoyed the session. And it was my pleasure to be the part of Little Flower International School today for the workshop held on 24th May 2025. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am for sharing with us.
Good evening. Today I took a session on life skills in Little Flower International India. The arrangement made by the school principal management was very good. The coordination between the staff and principal was excellent, and the hospitality by the school staff and all the members of the staff from first class, ancillary staff, teachers, and the support staff, that was commendable. So thank you everyone. Thank you Little Flower School management and staff. Thank you.
This opportunity from CBSE to meet you all people over here was fantastic. As a trainer, हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें एक involved, feedback oriented audience चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे से लगा. Special thanks to the venue director, to your principal ma'am. She had actually put up a very wonderful set of arrangements, which was actually being such a demographic limitations over here. I was not expecting, but it was a really good experience as a resource person. I wish आने वाले समय में CBSE और भी assignments दे आपके साथ. Thank you.
I am very happy and grateful to CBSE to have chosen Little Flower International School Datia as the venue for the teachers training program. Today's program, I am also very happy because month of May we had wonderful results of CBSE class 10 and 12. Our children performed very well, and back to back we had this training sessions for the students, for the teachers. Now this training session for the teachers is based on life skills basic, and here the very important because taking decisions, solving the problems, critical thinking, these are the basic things that a child should learn, the child should understand. And what a way of teaching the students, inculcating those small little things which make a big difference in their lives, where our teachers would be taking this sessions training into the classrooms teaching. I am very thankful to the two resource person, Mr. Nirkesh Sharma and Mr. Vikram Saxena, to conduct the session so wonderfully. Your knowledge, your wisdom and your experience would definitely be very beneficial for my teachers. My teachers had a great learning experience. At the same time, I am very thankful to the management for supporting me, for supporting all of us, standing by us when it comes to the growth of my teachers, when it comes to the growth of our children. Thank you so much. We had a great learning.
What did you learn from the CBSE Life Skills Basic Training?
From these training, I learned so many things, and they present so many activities present by the resource person. The activities like a debate, drama and role play. I try to implement all these activities in my classroom to develop not only the physical mental health of the student, but also the moral development of.
You had a training session on life skill. How are you planning to apply these learning in your classroom activities?
The life skills training session was really helpful. I am planning to apply all these activities by encouraging open discussions using real life examples for the students. I will make sure that each and every student of my class will feel confident and will feel heard.
दतिया से यूडी न्यूज के लिए विनोद कुशवाहा की रिपोर्ट.